a detailed overview. The budget report in Sage Business Cloud Accounting provides a comprehensive view of a company's financial performance by comparing budgeted figures against actual financial results. This report is essential for businesses aiming to track progress toward financial goals, manage costs, and identify areas for improvement. Key components of the budget report. 1. Budgeted figures. This section of the report displays the values the business has planned for income and expenses over a specific period. These figures are derived from the budget you have set for your financial accounts, such as revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, etc. 2. Actual figures. The report shows the actual values recorded in the accounts during the period being analyzed. These are real numbers from the business's operations, such as actual sales, rent paid, salaries, and other financial activities. 3. Variance. Variance is a crucial part of the budget report, as it highlights the difference between the budgeted and actual figures. The variance can be shown in both absolute terms, numerical difference, and as a percentage. Positive variance occurs when the actual figure is better than the budgeted amount, e.g., actual income is higher than budgeted income, or actual expenses are lower than expected. Negative variance occurs when the actual result is worse than the budgeted figure, e.g., expenses exceed the budget or revenue falls short. 4. Income statement format. The budget report is often displayed in the same format as the business's income statement, making it easy to compare the performance across all revenue and expense accounts. It includes categories like total revenue, cost of goods sold, COGS, gross profit, operating expenses, and net income. 5. Time period comparisons. The budget report allows you to view data over different time periods, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Businesses can compare performance over specific periods to track seasonal trends, analyze the impact of business decisions, and adjust future budgets. 6. Graphical representations. Some versions of Sage Business Cloud Accounting offer visual representations of the budget report, such as bar graphs or pie charts. These charts make it easier for stakeholders to grasp financial performance at a glance. These visual tools help identify trends and patterns in the business's financial performance. Steps to generate a budget report in Sage Business Cloud Accounting. 1. Log into your Sage Business Cloud account. Access your dashboard by logging into the system with your account credentials. 2. Navigate to Reports. On the main dashboard, look for the Reports section. Depending on the version of Sage you're using, this may be located under the Financials or Accounting tabs. 3. Select Budget Report. From the list of available reports, select the Budget Report or Budget versus Actuals report. Sage may offer options to customize the report by selecting specific periods, monthly, quarterly, or annually, and filtering by income or expense categories. 4. Customize the report. Choose the budget you wish to analyze if you have multiple budgets set up for different periods or departments. You can also choose the time frame, such as the current month, quarter, year, or a custom date range. If desired, you can filter by specific accounts, e.g., sales, marketing expenses, rent, to focus on particular areas of interest. 5. Generate and review the report. Once your customizations are in place, generate the report. The system will provide a detailed table showing the budgeted amounts, actual results, and variance for each account. The report will typically display income, expenses, net profit loss, gross margin. 6. Download or print. You can export the report as a PDF or Excel document, allowing you to share it with your team or stakeholders. If you prefer, you can print the report directly for offline review. Understanding the budget report output. 1. Budgeted revenue versus actual revenue. This section helps you evaluate how your business's income streams, such as product sales, service revenue, or other income sources, are performing against projections. If the actual revenue is significantly lower than the budgeted amount, this may indicate issues in sales performance or external market conditions. 2. Budgeted expenses versus actual expenses. It compares the expected operating costs against what was actually spent. This part of the report is key for identifying areas where expenses might be exceeding expectations, such as marketing, salaries, rent, or utilities. Overspending can indicate a need for tighter cost controls. 3. Net profit loss comparison. The report will show whether the business is generating more or less profit than anticipated. This is an important metric for evaluating overall business health and determining if your profit margins are aligned with your financial goals. 4. Variance analysis. The variance column in the report will highlight the difference between the budgeted and actual figures for each account. This analysis shows whether the business is over or underperforming in specific areas. For instance, if actual income is consistently below budget, this could indicate issues with sales strategies. On the other hand, if expenses exceed the budget, you may need to investigate cost control measures. Benefits of using budget reports in Sage Business Cloud Accounting. 1. Performance tracking. Budget reports provide real-time insight into how the business is performing relative to its financial goals. Regularly reviewing these reports helps business owners stay on top of cash flow and profitability. 2. Better financial control. The ability to identify over or underspending in key areas allows businesses to take proactive measures, such as adjusting budgets or reducing unnecessary expenses to stay on track. 3. Informed decision-making. Budget reports offer a clear picture of financial health, which assists in making more informed decisions regarding investments, hiring, cost-cutting, and expansion. 4. Identifying financial risks. By regularly reviewing budget reports, businesses can spot financial risks early on. For example, consistent overspending or revenue shortfalls can signal larger financial issues that need to be addressed before they impact the bottom line. 5. Improved budgeting process. Variance analysis helps businesses improve future budgeting. By identifying where actuals consistently deviate from the budget, businesses can adjust future forecasts to be more accurate, leading to more realistic financial planning. 6. Internal accountability. Departmental or segment-specific budget reports can help managers or department heads take ownership of their financial performance, ensuring each area of the business contributes to the overall financial health of the company. Conclusion. The budget report in Sage Business Cloud Accounting is a powerful tool for monitoring the financial performance of a business. It offers a detailed comparison of budgeted versus actual figures, helping businesses stay on track with their financial goals. Through regular use of budget reports, business owners can manage their finances more effectively, make data-driven decisions, and ensure long-term profitability. Sage simplifies the process of generating these reports, making financial management accessible even to those with minimal accounting expertise. If you need assistance generating a budget report or customizing one for your specific needs, feel free to ask.